Let's find out the top recommendations from our charters before we move forward. And given the fact, Kunal, that you've got the mid and the small caps continuing to rally to new highs, I'm sure there's a lot of opportunity and options there as well.
Well, yeah, many mid caps are showing signs of fresh breakouts. Century Textile is one of the stock which looks attractive. The stock gave a breakout about 900, 920 mark yesterday. Excellent volumes over the last 2 days for Century Textile. So would suggest this as a buy. Targets to be kept at 966, stop loss at 908. And BHEL has been one of the recommendations which I've been flagging off over the last 1 week from 85 levels to 90. And yesterday the stock clocked 93 plus mark. So I'm expecting this stock to hit back a level of 100 plus over the very near term. So the targets remain the same. I'm upping the stop loss from earlier levels of 85 to now 89. Traders could look at a fresh buy.
Okay, BHEL and Century Textiles, that's what Kunal is recommending. Nooresh, but you're sticking with the true blue large caps.
Yeah, so sticking at large caps because some of these names have made fresh new breakouts into all-time highs, 52-week highs, and expecting Nifty to consolidate. So being a little conservative here. So first is a buy on ICICI Bank. 960 was the high. That was a resistance for the last almost couple of months. We've consolidated in a tight range, broke below 930, did not see any follow-up selling, and now we are crossing about 960 levels. So that's a nice cup and handle formation on the short term. Sustaining about 960 gives us a quick target price of 1050. Given the momentum, keeping a strict stop loss at 940. Second is a buy on Hindustan Unilever. The stock has given a fresh breakout about 2700 mark, which was the shorter term breakout, as well as 2740 was a resistance for the last 8 to 9 months. And if we look at it, the stock has been an underperformer in the whole FMCG pack. For example, today HUL stands at just 10 to 15% away from a market cap where ITC has reached. So a huge catch up. HUL had made a top around 2500, 2600 back in April to May 2020 after the COVID correction. And today also the stock was at 2700. So almost 3 years with hardly any return. And now that could be a big catch up going forward over the next few months. And a 8 to 9 month high. The last all-time high, which has been made last in 2021, is around that 2850 mark. Expecting that to be crossed as well. A target price of 3000 in the short term. A stop loss now revised to 2690.